We have progressed from using a button phone to using a smartphone, but still resume आप अभी तक वही घिसा पिटा कैरी कर रहे हो जो 10 साल पहले यूज होते थे. Today we will talk about why you need to change your resume, and I will talk about 5 important points which is nowhere available on the internet. ये सारे पॉइंट्स मैंने खुद से डिराइव किए हैं आफ्टर कंडक्टिंग मल्टीपल सॉफ्ट स्किल सेशंस फॉर मल्टीपल कैंडिडेट्स एंड मल्टीपल कॉलेजेस. रेज्यूमे मिस्टेक नंबर 1 इज व्हाई आर यू यूजिंग द सेम रेज्यूमे फॉर्मेट जो अपन 10 साल पहले भी यूज करते थे. सी, nobody told you that this is a correct format of a resume and इसी format में सारे resumes बनेंगे, okay? But still every time we see that students are using the same format of the resume जो 10 साल पहले use होता था. Okay, please stop doing that. Okay, you can play around with your resume as much as you want. आप अपने हिसाब से चीजें डाल सकते हो. Let me explain this to you with the help of an example. Student A and Student B. Student A is a BCA pass out of 2023. Student B is a BCA pass out of 2017. दोनों ने भी अपने resume फॉर्मेट में अपना year of passing डाला हुआ है. किसने बोला लेकिन डालने? किसने बोला ये मैंडेटरी है डालना? Nobody said that. But the problem is जब आप अपनी weaknesses अपने resume में बताने लगते हो, you give the interviewers a chance to question you on that, okay? Which nobody told you it is mandatory to mention in the first place. So if you are a 2023 BCA pass out, please go ahead and mention that. But if you are someone who is a previous year pass out, nobody told you it is mandatory to mention that in the resume. So next time, take care of that. The next mistake is you make your resume, you get it checked by your friend. क्यों ऐसा लगता है आपको कि आपके फ्रेंड को आपसे ज्यादा आता है? Okay, always and always get your resume checked by a senior, by an elder, by someone who is more experienced than you. Okay, because if you could not find problems in your resume, chances are आपके दोस्त को भी नहीं मिलने वाला है वो. Okay, and it is a human tendency कि friends like each other. So they tend to avoid the mistakes. Okay, so always get your resume proofread or checked by another person who is not your friend. The third important mistake which the students make almost every time is you copy the resume of your friend. You do not make it customized with respect to you. So this is a very important point and listen very carefully. When I talk about customizing the resume, आप दो तरीके से resume customize कर सकते हो. You can customize it with respect to the company. Next is you can customize it with respect to who you are. Okay? Let me explain this to you with the help of an example. If you are applying for a job where the key skills require good knowledge of SQL, so highlight SQL when you are mentioning the profile summary in the top of the resume. Okay, in the job description of the next company, if it says that they want candidates with good knowledge of advanced Java, you need to highlight advanced Java in your profile summary section. Okay, so that वो interviewers को ज़्यादा नज़र में आएगा that you are highlighting your skills. Okay, which is why always and always customize your resume with respect to the company. Next is customizing your resume with respect to who you are. Okay, and let me explain this to you with the help of an example. एक हमारे स्टूडेंट गए थे इंटरव्यू के लिए इन सम कंपनी जहां पे उन रेज्यूमे में मेंशन था दैट ही लाइक्स सॉल्विंग सुडोकू पजल्स. ओके, इंटरव्यूअर ने लैपटॉप पे अपने एक सुडोकू पजल खोल के टर्न किया उनके तरफ लैपटॉप. द स्टूडेंट डिड नॉट नो हाउ टू सॉल्व दैट. ओके, मोरल ऑफ द स्टोरी इज छापना बंद करो यार, अभी कितना छापने का दोस्तों से. सो मेक द रेज्यूमे ट्रू टू हु यू आर. Everybody is mentioning terms like punctual, hardworking, self-motivated. कुछ तो अलग लिखो. Okay, make your resume different than the rest of the thousands of CVs that the recruiters see on a daily basis. The next important mistake is you are not making your resume ATS friendly. Now listen carefully. What is an ATS? ATS is applicant tracking system. जितने भी रिक्रूटर्स जितने भी कंपनीज में हायर करते हैं कैंडिडेट्स, दे यूज एन ATS टू फिल्टर फ्रॉम ह्यूज नंबर ऑफ डेटाबेस दैट दे हैव फॉर स्टूडेंट्स. Okay, now let me explain to you what is an ATS. ATS is a software which is used to filter out candidates as per the requirements of the company. इसको थोड़ा सिंप्लीफाई करके बताती हूँ अभी आपको. मिंत्रा पे से आपको एक शर्ट खरीदना है ब्लैक कलर का, तो आप क्या करोगे? आप पहले जाओगे मेन सेक्शन में, देन यू विल गो टू शर्ट, देन यू विल सेलेक्ट द कलर ब्लैक, सो दैट आपको सिर्फ ब्लैक वाले शर्ट्स ही दिखेंगे, राइट? नाउ सेम अगर कंपनी में मान लो दे आर लुकिंग फॉर कैंडिडेट्स हु हैव 1 year of experience and they should have good knowledge of manual testing, for example. Okay, so what the HR will do is they will put filters on the database and जिसके भी resume में manual testing mentioned होगा वो resume automatically populate हो जाएगा and it will say that ये correct match है आपका जो candidate requirement है उसके साथ. What is happening now is आप अपने skills mention तो करते हो but then you don't break it down. Okay, so for example, you have taken up a course in Java and you have knowledge of core Java as well as advanced Java and Spring, Hibernate, everything. If you have only mentioned advanced Java in your CV and अगर कंपनी ने फिल्टर लगाया है Hibernate के नाम से तो वो आपका CV नहीं जनरेट करेगा. Which is why you need to mention each and every skill when you are making your resume. जितने भी skills आपको लगते हैं are important, please mention that in your CV. On that note, I will also like to mention another thing. Stop mentioning skills like MS Office, Windows, Linux, operating system. ये सब बहुत पहले हम mention करते थे जब computers बहुत नए थे. But now there is no need to mention that. So if you are saying that you know advanced Java, it is to be understood कि आपको Excel तो आता ही रहेगा अभी. Okay, so please stop mentioning that in your CV and mention all the skills that you are aware about. The next point which I am telling you is not a technical point. It is more of a philosophical point, but hear me out, okay? When you are making your resume, you are referring your friend's resume, you are referring your senior's resume. आप Google पे चेक करते हो, हर जगह आप आंसर्स खोजते हो कि resume हम perfect कैसे बना सकते हैं. The only place you are not looking for answers is your own self. और हमें ये किसी ने बताया भी नहीं है कि हमें जो सबसे कॉम्प्लिकेटेड चीजें लगती है उसके आंसर्स हमें अपने ही अंदर मिलते हैं. Okay, so the next time you make your resume and you have to write the skills, ask yourself कि आपको क्या चाहिए. वो दोस्त का छापने से कोई फायदा नहीं है. Okay, when the next time you are making your resume and you have to add your hobbies, ask yourself what your hobbies are and then add it to your resume accordingly. If you want us to make a video on any other topic which you will use during interview preparation, please let us know in the comments below. Subscribe to this channel and follow our page for more such videos and updates about interviews.